Hey, what's up? So today we're going to do an unboxing of the new Apple MagSafe Duo Charger. I just picked this up today. So we're going to open it and check it out and see how it works. Right, so here is the actual charging thing. This is weird. So it obviously comes with all the normal paper crap or paper stuff that Apple products come with. And then it comes with the USB-C to lightning cable. So we're going to test this out. I'm going to use my Apple Watch and my AirPods to test it out. So I already have my cord that I normally use. So you just plug this in right here. Nice. And then I'm going to take off my watch. Cool, you could feel the magnet part of the watch, or I mean the thing, just so obviously you can see you can lay it flat to charge it. So like this, or you can lift this up and then set it down like this to charge it. And it magnetizes pretty good comparison to other watch docks that I've seen where you use like the watch charger and you kind of insert it. This sticks pretty good. And then so let's check something out. So you can actually close this. This is pretty neat. I wonder if so you can fold it and then obviously do the same thing here. So it's pretty neat. You can obviously fold it for the watch part and it charges. So that's pretty cool.